All right, what we'll do is we'll quickly go through the thick client and then we'll hop to the web client. Basically what we're looking for is connecting to our exchanges as well as running the script to sell what we're mining. All right, so let's jump in. First and foremost, navigate to AlgoMate.co products. Then we're going to click Try It Today, which will prompt a download file. You'll then click Log In once you've installed it. All right, so now we've completed the login process. Just want to walk you through quickly what everything is. The top left box shows the percentage and dollar change from the beginning of the year, from on the month and today, as well as your total balance here. This pane here is a market pane, basically lists out all the different cross pairs, trading pairs that we have that are connected through the exchanges. Now this balance pane down here won't populate until you start connecting to your exchanges, as well as your open orders. We currently have a couple different sections of in the trading platform. We have chart components that you can create, trading components. So this should be ready in about the next week or so, as well as reports, trade reports, trade log, history, etc. In order to add an exchange, you have to go to the cog on the right-hand side and click on Servers. Currently, this account has Binance, Bitfinex, and Poloniex added. We do not allow users to see their keys once they've been entered. They're encrypted and shipped up to the server that will be handling your execution. We provide a state update on the server connection or the exchange connection. The green check mark means everything's okay. A blue question mark might mean that there's a minor problem. Okay, so in order to add a new connection, so for example, if we're going to add Coinbase Pro, you need to log into your Coinbase account, get your API key, your secret key, and your password. Or if you're adding something like Bittrex, you'll only need the API key and the secret key. Again, once you entered it and hit save, we're pushing it up to the server where it's been encrypted on the way and stored in an encrypted manner, and you won't be able to access it. So keep it in a safe place. All right, let's move on to the website of things and take a look how we're going to get the script running that we want to run. So go ahead and log into the AlgoMate. All right, we'll go ahead and log into the web client. So in the web client, we have a trading section, which basically lets you look at a bunch of price charts, a backtester section that if you write a script, you can go ahead and backtest them. So for example, you choose a start date, a finish date, a start time, and then just hit begin backtest. The trading section should pre-populate 3 charts. It just took a second there. BTC, ETH, USD, and LTC. Then we have a creator section. This is basically made up of a bunch of sample scripts. Hello world, one-off script, take profit, stop loss script, sell away, which is basically selling your balance that you have, a martingale, and order batching. The one-off script, for example, runs one process and shuts the script off. So I'll go ahead. I preloaded the one that's pertinent to this use case, the sell away. This currently is tuned to Binance and Bitcoin. I've gone ahead and modified it and created my own version. I could do that by just copying and pasting, hitting new script here, and then dropping it inside, or modifying it directly. What happens here is once you hit save, you'll save the raw file, but you can also compile it. So if I were to make an error here and hit compile, you would get a line error letting you know that this is not going to work. So if I go ahead and change it back and compile again, I'll get that green check mark. I can then hit save. And if I want to run it, I just click the play. You'll see it'll turn the indicator green. And now my account is automatically selling any ETH that is coming into Binance. This can be expanded with a series of rules such as if statements above a certain price, etc. And we're happy to provide that as an example if required. All right, thanks a lot, guys.